Hello and welcome to Delightful, Delicious, Delovely. My name is Christine Elise, and this is my friend to the end, Chucky. This is a glorious Trick or Treat Studios, totally legit Child's Play 2 good guy doll. I have managed to get one for myself. And I could not be more excited about it. It's fantastic. If you are a Chucky fan, this is a $500 item, but I think it is the best $500 you can spend in acquiring legit Chucky stuff. Even Don Mancini, who created Chucky, is coveting this and wants to get one. So, Trick or Treat Studios, and you can get one for your very own. I waited for months and months for this bad boy. He's genius. He's gorgeous, and I love him. That said, I'm doing a Violife vegan cheese review today. I have 3 kinds of Violife vegan cheese here. I have Just Like Feta. I have the Just Like Feta. Then I have Just Like Parmesan. And I have Just Like mature cheddar slices. I have a little piece of each out here to taste. I guess I'll go from left to right, and I will start. Actually, I'm going to start with the mildest one of them. I'm assuming the mature cheddar will be more mild than the feta, so I'm going to start with the cheddar. Okay. For the record, I'm not a fan of Daya. So if you are, or you're not, just have that in your mind as part of where my palate is. I don't like Daya. This doesn't taste like Daya at all. This reminds me of the field roast Cheo, which I'm a huge fan of. So, by extension, I'm a huge fan of this. This tastes like a mild cheddar. It was very much like the Cheo. Yeah, I like this very much. I don't know. It's got 60 calories a slice. There's 10 slices in this package. Yeah, it's really good. I don't know about its melting qualities. I assume it'll melt in a pan the way the field roast does. They have a field roast, pardon this, keep going to Cheo because this reminds me of it so much. Their tomato cayenne, if you melt it in a pot and put a little salsa in it, makes a great nacho cheese. This would also make a good mac and cheese. It's got just a nice, mild, cheesy flavor. It's not overpowering. It's yummy. It doesn't have any icky aftertaste or anything. I'm giving that a 9. All right, now onto the cheddar. Onto the Parmesan. Parmesan isn't the kind of cheese you tend to eat in big bites. Okay, it's dry and crumbly the way Parmesan cheese is. It's salty the way Parmesan cheese is, and that would be fucking incredible on pasta or grated over pizza or on a salad. I'm a big fan of the shaved parm. This would shave nicely, I imagine, and do a very good job of being just like Parmesan, just like it says in the packaging. So yeah, I'm going to give this one a 9 too. And now on to the most intriguing, the feta. Just like feta, free from dairy, soy, gluten, lactose, nuts, and preservatives. 100% vegan feta. All right. All right. It's white. It's wet like feta, and it's creamier. And creamier than feta is. Feta has that almost gritty texture. That's very good too. It's really mild for a feta. It's really good though. It almost straddles the line between feta and goat cheese. Wow. It's really creamy though. Not that that's a bad thing. Yeah. I think that's the most impressive of the 3. The feta, It's my first, I think it's the first vegan feta I've ever tried. And I like it a lot. I think that would go very well in all things feta goes well in. Salads, Greek salads, kale salads, etc. Yeah, that is very good. I don't know. I think I'm going to give them, overall, I'm going to give them a 9. A sweeping 9 for the whole thing. This feta has coconut oil and vitamin, I think it says B12 on there. They all say vitamin B12, I think, on them. Yeah, these are a big hit. I got these, I believe I got these at Gelson's here in Los Angeles. They are not inexpensive, but no, vegan cheese is inexpensive. I think they were maybe $7 a piece, in the $7 or $8 range for each package, which is not unreasonable. Real cheese would cost that much. So yeah, all right, this is a big hit. I like it very much. I'm a little bit subdued these days because whatever day I'm posting this, I don't know, but today is the Thursday after the Monday that Lou Perry passed away. So yeah, I'm a bit deflated and not my usual peppy, bubbly self. These are great. Don't let my demeanor, don't have it reflect what I think of these cheeses, because they're great. They're very good. These are, I would give them a 9. And that's that. If you want to get, I said in my Chucky unboxing that if you want to do something to contribute toward Luke's legacy, my idea has been that you support his favorite boxer dog rescue here in Los Angeles called Boxer Rescue LA. You could donate to them or volunteer for them or even adopt a dog from them, and or do a fundraiser like I've done on Facebook with a donate button and try to raise some money for them, and that's in Luke's name. And that is that. Okay. This is my glorious Trick or Treat Studios what's he called? My friend to the end, my good guy doll Chucky. And yeah, that's my review of Violife. Just like feta, just like Parmesan, just like mature cheddar slices. They're all fucking good. So there. Please subscribe. And until next time, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.